Okay, now we're going to go to a very exotic cloth market. Believe me, it's very different. Just see ahead. So this is like the cloth market out here. Really exotic clothes. Most of them are long. There's no pants here. Anyways, get that out of mind, please. Please, just get it out. Overall, really exotic clothes. You can see jubbas here. You can see some souvenirs here. And you can see some face coverings here, along with glasses as well. And similarly, bags and caps, which is cap. I'm kidding, it's not cap. Gowns, look at the gowns. Everything just looks great. I mean, there are earrings right there. And it says fashion, 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 were you like 1902? Yeah, again, joking. It's nice. Let's go into the gold souk, which is all about jewelry and stuff. Now, I was surprised at how open the jewelry is in Dubai. But then I realized that in Dubai, there's no crime. They'll literally cut your hands off if you commit a crime. That's why it's so open and it's so safe. Like, that's the only thing I love about Dubai. It's so safe. Just look at it. Okay, so this is the very famous gold souk market that we're gonna enter in Dubai, and let's explore this market A to Z. See, as per the name, there's gold everywhere. And yeah, you see people are buying gold. I'm kind of surprised you would buy gold from here. It's not just gold, it's pearls as well. And it's like other valuable stones and rings as well that you can buy here. Similarly, over there and over here, you can buy a lot of stuff. Wow, just look at how much gold that is. Who wears that much gold? Let me know in the comments. And also, this is a nice place. Because it is. I mean, it's aesthetically pleasing. There's not too many people. It seems nice, and it's calming. Look at all of that. This is real. This is not fake, and this is 100% real gold, and well, really nice place. Let me talk about it more. Okay, so let's talk about it. I have never been to a market where I have seen so much gold in my entire life. And to be pretty honest, this is a really different space to be in. As you can see, look at the gold behind. Just look at it. I mean, it feels great. It seems great, but no one can afford it. I mean, people can't afford it. We can't. Most of us can't. I mean, these things like cost millions right here. Millions. I just don't understand who wears all of that. And not only does it cost millions, it's so heavy. Like, why would somebody wear that? And maybe in some cultures, people wear it in marriages or on big, massive functions, but still, I don't understand. I've never seen a person just roaming around on the road wearing lots of jewelry, even in a safe city like Dubai. And you can see it's not just gold. One more time, it's not just gold. There's so much other stuff to it as well. This place is covered, which is why we're not getting any sunlight, which is kind of a bummer. But like, this place is mostly hot, so it is a plus point throughout the year, but at this time of the year, it's not really. So yeah, so far, I really like this place, and let me show you guys even more.
ده بندر، انا حمرا.